Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox using a keyboard and mouse. To begin, your keyboard is essential for movement. Use the W, A, S, D keys to move your character forward, left, backward, and right, respectively. The spacebar allows you to jump, which is crucial for navigating obstacles. Your mouse is equally important for controlling the camera, letting you look around your environment and aim precisely. Simply move your mouse to adjust your view and interact with the game world. Personalizing your controls can significantly enhance your Roblox experience. You can easily access the in-game settings menu, usually found by pressing the Escape key. Within the settings, navigate to the Controls section. Here, you have the flexibility to remap keybinds, assigning actions to keys that feel most natural to you. Additionally, adjust your mouse sensitivity to find a speed that allows for both quick turns and precise aiming. Remember to save your changes before exiting the menu. Once you are comfortable with the basics, explore some advanced techniques. Shift lock, often activated by pressing the Shift key, locks your camera behind your character, offering greater precision for aiming or navigating tight spaces. Many games allow quick inventory access using number keys, letting you switch items rapidly. Effective communication through the chat function, typically opened with the / key, is also vital for teamwork. Practicing these skills will make you a more versatile player. To ensure a smooth gaming experience, always check that your keyboard and mouse are properly connected to your computer. Sometimes, background applications or conflicting software can interfere with your controls, so close unnecessary programs. For extended play, maintain an ergonomic setup. Position your keyboard and mouse comfortably to prevent strain. Regularly updating your device drivers can also resolve performance issues and ensure your peripherals function optimally, providing you with the best possible control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.